Hello again. Long time no. Whatever it is we do. Sorry I haven't talked to you in a while. I missed you. Where did you go?
Who are you over there? What are you hiding?
I'm just anonymous. I'm just alone. The loneliness came back worse than I remember. I get up every morning.
What's the point? If you just do stuff and nothing happens, what's it all mean?
I'm stuck in a repetitive, boring routine.
We're just going around in circles.
What I wouldn't give to be normal. What do normal people do when they get this sad? Surround themselves with people they love. With people who love them.
Only I can meet someone new.
Hi.
This is the day we met.
You look lonely. Do you have a girlfriend?
Can I kiss you?
I missed you, baby sweet.
Are you falling in love with her?
Oddly enough, I do.
Who said I do?
Do those hopeful moments scare me? Are you leaving me?
We're all leaving. It's like I'm reading a book. It's a book I deeply love. But I'm reading it slowly now.
People I love, people I trusted, done their absolute worst to me.
I love you so much. I can't live in your book anymore.
You're the worst thing that ever happened to me.
It's all falling apart. I'm erasing you and I'm happy.
Please let me keep this memory. Come back.
You let me have a very strange time.